In this video, we will learn about management by objective. What is management by objective? MBO. Management by objectives, MBO, is a strategic management model that aims to improve the performance of an organization by clearly defining objectives that are agreed to by both management and employees. According to the theory, having a say in goal setting and action plans encourages participation and commitment among employees, as well as aligning objectives across the organization. The term was first outlined by management guru Peter Drucker in his 1954 books. The name of the book was The Practice of Management. Understanding management by objectives. Management by objectives is the establishment of a management information system to compare actual performance and achievements to the defined objectives. Practitioners claim that the major benefits of MBO are that it improves employee motivation and commitment and allows for better communication between management and employees. However, a stated weakness of MBO is that it unduly emphasizes the setting of goals to attain objectives rather than working on a systematic plan to do so. Drucker believes MBO was not a cure-all but a tool to be utilized. It gives organizations a process, with many practitioners claiming that the success of MBO is dependent on the support from top management, clearly outlined objectives, and trained managers who can implement it. Now, need for MBO. Need for management by objectives. The management by objectives process helps the employees to understand their duties at the workplace. The employees are clear as to what is expected out of them. Management by objectives process leads to satisfied employees. It avoids job mismatch and unnecessary confusions later on. Management by objectives ensures effective communication amongst the employees. It leads to a positive ambience at the workplace. The MBO process leads to highly motivated and committed employees. The MBO process sets a benchmark for every employee. The superiors set targets for each of the team members. Each employee is given a list of specific tasks. Now, limitations. Limitation of management by objectives process. It sometimes ignores the prevailing culture and working conditions of the organization. More emphasis is being laid on targets and objectives. It just expects the employees to achieve their targets and meet the objectives of the organization without bothering much about the existing circumstances at the workplace. Employees are just expected to perform and meet the deadlines. The MBO process sometimes do treat individuals as mere machines. The MBO process increases comparisons between individuals at the workplace. Employees tend to depend on nasty politics and other productive tasks to outshine their fellow workers. Employees do only what their superiors ask them to do. Their work lacks innovation, creativity, and sometimes also becomes monotonous. Okay, thank you.